And you put the block into the shaver, you set it to the correct width. There's some flavor shaves better thin, some flavor shaves better medium or thick. So you kind of know through experience. And then you put on the top and they request it. The last step is the drizzle. You squeeze the drizzle and you try to make a nice composition on the plate. Originally when we did it, we were struggling. There's times where the block spin out and spin off of the machine like frisbee come out at us.
You actually kind